Ever wanted to weave the magic of plaid into your digital designs? Let's jump right into creating a classic plaid pattern in Photoshop. First, create a new document. Set the dimensions to 500 by 500 pixels with a white background. This will be the tile for our repeating pattern. Now, choose your primary color. Click on the foreground color swatch and pick a dark shade. I'm using a deep blue here. Keep the background color set to white for now. Grab the rectangular marquee tool and draw a thin horizontal rectangle across the top of your canvas. Try to make it around 20 pixels tall, but don't worry about being too precise. Select the paint bucket tool and click inside the rectangle to fill it with your chosen dark color. Now, create another horizontal rectangle, this time a bit lower on the canvas, leaving some white space between the two stripes. Again, fill it with the same dark color. Next, go to Image, then Image Rotation, and select 90 degrees clockwise. This rotates our canvas to give us vertical stripes. It's time to add a second color. Choose a new, contrasting color like red for your foreground. Create a thin rectangle, this time horizontal, crossing the existing stripes and fill it with red. Repeat the process, adding another red stripe, leaving a gap between the two. You should now have a basic grid. Now for the magic, go to Edit, then define pattern. Name your pattern whatever you like. I'm calling mine plaid. Create a new, larger document, say 2000 by 2000 pixels. Select the paint bucket tool, and in the tool options bar, make sure pattern is selected instead of foreground. Click anywhere on the new canvas. Boom, your custom plaid pattern is seamlessly tiling across the entire document. You can now use this to fill shapes, backgrounds, or anything your creative heart desires. Have fun experimenting with different colors and stripe widths.